If you're an admin in Syncrostore and you'd like to add a new vendor, what you're going to want to go do is navigate to the vendor tab, right? And it'll bring you to this page. You're going to want to navigate up here to the top and select new vendor, right? And then you can start adding the basic information for your vendor. Say their ID is 4, their email is, add their phone number, their name, of course, in this case, Liam, their state, their permission group, their tax status. Cool. And then ensure that the send invite to create account checkmark is checked off. This is crucial for setting up new vendors, as it is required for sending them their invite link, which they'll use to actually complete their account setup. And that will go to the email that you entered up here. So it's important that you get this correct. Cool. And once you are satisfied with all that information, you can go ahead and hit save. And it'll send them the invitation.